Yo, friends, welcome back to Geography, Social Studies, Week 2. This week we are going to be learning about directions. We have our globe here. North, east, south, and west. Or we can say norte, este, sur, y oeste. And I always like to think of the trick to remember is I just think of never eat soggy waffles, and that way you can always remember the directions. So we're going to get off with a little rap song for you guys, and it is called Compass Rose, and that's what this thing is a compass, or brújula. I know some of you guys know that word, and think about what you already know about compasses and brújulas and how you use them to read maps. And today's lesson is going to be very interactive. We're going to talk about the directions. There's going to be some mini games, mini fill in the blanks, some participation that you guys are going to be getting to read maps and tell me what direction different places are. Okay? So we'll go ahead and we'll get started off with this little rap. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. A compass rose sure helps you know all the directions that you could go. We have north, south, east, and west. What direction do you like the best? We have these 4 directions, but for more in between. Turning 2 directions into one so people know what you mean. North, west is NW. North, east is NE. It doesn't get too tricky, as you can see. South, west is SW. South, east is SE. Learning all the directions can be quite a breeze. A compass rose sure helps you know all the directions that you could go. We use directions with map. We use directions when we drive. What direction will you go the next time that you fly? So remember to never eat soggy waffles. If you forget your directions, life could get quite awful. North, south, east, and west, I say. These are the directions that we'll learn today. Northeast, southeast, northwest, southwest. Since we know all directions, know that we'll never get stressed. A compass rose sure helps you know all the places that you could go. A compass rose sure helps you know all the places that you could go.